Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today we're gonna be doing an awesome core workout with some of the best alternatives to sit-ups and crunches, all right? No crunches, no sit-ups, no yanking on your neck. Awesome alternatives. We're gonna have fun, so let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please take a second to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the awesome videos we post. If it isn't your new time, welcome back. So happy to have you here. And we're gonna be doing 2 sets like usual. The first one is a little bit more talking, demonstration, I show you proper form, all that good stuff. And then the second set, less talking, more doing, we just get straight through it. All right, so starting with probably my favorite alternative. These are called kneeling crunches. So get yourself a mat or a towel, something to protect your knees. If you have a carpet, that works too. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna kneel up, nice straight spine and posture here. We're gonna bring our arms up. All right, we're gonna bring them up, stretch back a little bit, and then we're gonna crunch down. So you're gonna contract here, really use your muscles to balance, come down. All right, don't touch the floor. We don't want any support here. We're using our core muscles to keep ourselves up. So we're gonna come here and then extend a little bit. So as I contract, my bottom comes down a little bit towards my calves, but they don't touch. All right, and extend. And we're using our core muscles to come back up. So really both movements are engaging your tummy. It's really, really great, simple, fun, and effective. All right, so 30 seconds on the clock. Alrighty, and big breath, arms up, and begin. So when you come up, you don't want to open your rib cage. You want to keep your core engaged, tucked in, and your rib cage closed, all right? So we're not splaying out like this. We're coming up to a straight line, coming in, and then up to that straight line again, all right? Don't go back too much, all right? Keeping that rib cage nice and closed. If you don't exactly know how to close your rib cage, Mare does a nice explanation in one of our workout videos. You can search that on our channel, all right? And she tells you exactly how to close your rib cage. Alrighty, almost done. 3, 2, 1, up, and very good. Go ahead, sit down, relax, and shake it out. Next, we have mountain steps. So we're gonna be going into a plank position. Don't run away yet, okay, I promise. Everyone hears plank and they're like, no. I know, but trust me on this. So our hands are gonna be directly below your shoulder, right? Stacked, nice straight line here. We're gonna come into a nice plank position. And instead of mountain climbers, where we're going really, really fast, which is also great for your core, we're gonna do mountain steps. So taking your time and stepping forward towards your hand, all right? Using your core to keep you up, and then bringing your leg up, bringing your foot towards your hand, like so. I just did it a few times now and I'm already feeling the burn, okay? So you can do mountain steps, or you can go ahead, challenge yourself with those mountain climbers. And if either of those two are a bit too much for you, you can go ahead and come in a tabletop position, knees stacked below your hips, and you can do it with just your knees, like so. Even here, I'm feeling my core activated. All right, so 3 awesome variations for you. 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, in position, and let's go. So here you also want to remember spine health. We don't want to be arching, coming down like that. All right, and we don't want to be rounded over too much. A nice straight back. Your head, your gaze should be down on the floor. Chin tucked in a little bit. Making it happen, woo. Almost there. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and come down gently. Good, those were your mountain steps, unless you went climbing. Now we're gonna turn it around on our bottoms, on our back for some glute bridges. It works your entire body. It works your core, your back, and your back area is part of your core. So we're gonna lay down. Our feet are parallel, all right? A little bit closer to your bum if you can. Hands are nice and splayed out, which helps with stability, all right, by your sides. And you're going to hip thrust up. All right, squeeze, squeeze, and then gently come down one vertebrae at a time, all right? Making sure your lower back is pressed to the ground because we can arch if we're laying down. We can come down like this, if you can see, all right? But no, we wanna tuck our tummy, tuck our butt, and make sure that lower back is on the floor. Alrighty, so glute bridges, like so, for 30 seconds. Ready? Let's go. Very good. Making sure you're squeezing, squeezing. You can hold up there in the bridge if you'd like. All right, then coming down one vertebrae at a time. Breast up, squeeze, squeeze, and come down. Very good. You're using your core for control, for balance, everything. Very good. Breathing. And 3, 1. Hold. Really, really engaging your core. Tuck in that tummy. It should be nice and engaged. And down. Very, very good. Shake it out. And come up. Awesome. Last but not least, we are going to be doing a plank hold. There are different variations, so you can do a regular plank, like we talked before, hands nice and stacked. The wider your legs are, the easier it is to balance. More together is a bit challenging. Or you can go ahead and do a kneeling plank. So with your knees here, hands are still stacked under your shoulders, and we can hold here. If you want to challenge yourself even more for either the regular plank or on your knees, you can go down to your forearms, all right? Forearm, very, very good. Different variations, same awesome movement. So 30 seconds on the clock, choose your variation, get ready. Big breath, and go. Like I mentioned, we wanna really remember our spine health here. No curving, no arching. Just focus on tightening your core, breathing, and balancing. You're halfway there. Very good, you got this. Awesome. 3, 2, 1. Knees down gently. And that is it. Those are 4 awesome alternatives to sit-ups and crunches. We're gonna do it again straight through the workout, so take a second, get some water, and get ready. But first, don't forget to look at the time, so when you come back to this workout and you don't need the demo anymore, you can get straight to it. Alrighty, set number 2, less talking, more doing. It's gonna be awesome. Starting with our kneeling crunches in position. And let's go. You got this, almost there. Breathe, tight tummy, tight core. And 3, 2, last one, finish it. And very, very good, awesome job. Mountain steps, plank position. Let's go, we got this. And begin. 10 more seconds. You got this. Push through. You're doing great. Tight tummy, tucked in tummy. Breathing. And 3, 2, 1. Gently down. Very good. Shake out those arms. Awesome, awesome. Moving on to our glute bridges. Turn around on your back, bent knees, parallel feet. Big breath, and let's begin. Alrighty, good job. 3, 2, 1, up and hold. Suck in that tummy, tight core, engaged. And 3, 2, 1, down. Very good. Shake out those legs. Breathing, going to our plank hold. We're almost there. You got this. Choose your variation. You can switch it up if you want. Forearms, hands, knees. So many options. All right. In position. Let's go. Awesome job. We're halfway there. Breathe. You got this. 10 more seconds. Tight core, tight core. If you need a break, go ahead, tap your knees down and get back into it. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. Gently down and celebrate. We did it. Nice core workout. If you're ready for another set, rewind, get to it. If not, check out all our amazing videos. We have meditations, stretches, pain relief, like you name it. And I hope to see you on the next one.